of Burlington detected a spike in a dangerous chemical that is drifting downstream in the Haw River. WRL's climate reporter Liz McLaughlin has more on the contamination.
The city of Burlington has reported high levels of 1,4-dioxane in its wastewater discharge to the Haw River, threatening downstream communities.
1,4-dioxane is an industrial solvent that's more or less a byproduct of manufacture of various chemicals. It has been shown to be have human health effects at certain levels.
Bob Patterson is the Water Resources Director of Burlington. He says the city's recently started ramping up its testing and has discovered multiple slugs of 1,4-dioxane over the past year. Burlington officials have identified Apollo Chemical as the potential source of the spike and ordered the company to temporarily cease production.
Now we're in discussions with the company to see what happened, and we're in the process of issuing them a pre-treatment permit.
While the town of Pittsboro awaits test results, it's minimized the water it is drawing from the Haw River and asked residents to conserve water.
Unfortunately, North Carolina has been a hot spot for industrial contaminants as a whole.
Emily Sutton is the Haw River keeper and has been pushing for more regulation of 1,4-dioxane, including limiting discharge permits to the EPA's health advisory level of 35 parts per billion.
So there's a lot of litigation happening right now to try to get that standard put back into place and get it put on permits. And so that's what we're waiting to see.
Now Burlington is working with the Department of Environmental Quality to require Apollo Chemical to test and notify when levels are high and develop a plan to minimize chemical discharges. Liz McLaughlin, WRL News, Burlington.
Now, Pittsboro residents, you can get drinking water for free from Chatham Marketplace. The water has been treated with a reverse osmosis system that can filter out the chemicals.